Okay guys, we're back with another order of operations video. So again, we have our mnemonic device of PEMDAS, or parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. The other mnemonic device to help remember PEMDAS is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So if you remember, we have parentheses is the, let's change our color here. Parentheses is our first order of business. Then we have exponents, for example, 5 squared. We do multiplication and division together from left to right. When that is done, we do addition from left to right. Or addition and subtraction from left to right as kind of a collective group. All right, let's do some examples. So, all right, 7 plus 2 in parentheses times 8 minus 4. So we're going to do parentheses first. This is our first step. So inside this parentheses, we are going to do 7 plus 2, which is 9, times, parentheses, 8 minus 4. Next simplification, 9 times 8 minus 4 is 4. Now we're done with parentheses. There are no exponents. We're on to multiplication and division. 9 times 4 is 36. And so we're done with multiplication, and there are no addition subtraction. So this problem is done. Whoops. All right, so there we go. Here we go. So 78 plus 66 minus 5 minus 2 times 3. All right, here we go. So first simplification is the parentheses. So 66 minus 5 will be 61. And then we write everything else down. So we're done with parentheses. I don't see any exponents. Multiplication and division is the next thing. The only multiplication we have is that 2 times 3. So 78 plus 61 minus 2 times 3 is 6. We're done with additions or multiplication and division. Now we're on to addition subtraction. So 78 plus 61. Again, no shame in doing the side math. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 plus 6 is 13. So we 139 minus 6. And again, if you want to subtract over here, that's fine. So we get 133. Just a couple more. All right, so now we have 18 divided by 9 times 5 times 2. So 18 divided by 9 is 2 times 5 times 2. So next simplification, we're going to simplify the 5 times 2, which is 10, and we get 20. Okay, so we've done all of it. We did parentheses, no exponents. We did multiply, divide, and there was no addition, subtraction. All right, so that is how you do order of operations when there are parentheses involved. Be sure to check out the next one, which is exponents and nested parentheses. Thanks, guys. Bye.